Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best kitchen torch is Sondico Butane Kitchen Torch S400. The brulee torch is ideal for caramelizing sugar atop creme brulee, glazing a baked ham, searing a steak, roasting bell peppers, melting cheese, and toasting breadcrumbs. It is also useful for lighting your fireplace, candles, or cigars, for hobbies, arts and crafts projects, jewelry making, welding, for multiple camping applications, dabs, and much more. Refill the kitchen torch with any brand of butane. Please note that butane gas is not included. Simply slide the security lock to open, light up with piezo ignition technology. It is a portable mini torch that you can take for many outdoor activities like camping and barbecue. The safety lock prevents accidental ignition. A broad base helps to prevent it from falling over. Long angled nozzle and burn-free finger guard keep your hands safely away from the flame. We crafted our culinary torch out of professional-grade materials, providing you with a safe and easy-to-use tool. Piezo ignition technology allows for use at any angle, even upside down with effortless one-hand operation, adjustable temperature regulator for complete control of the flame, and allows the flame temperature to reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius. Press the button to light the fire, turn the safety lock clockwise at the same time, then it will keep firing without your pressing. Baking, cooking is much easier. Number 2 in our side is Gibbet Torch Lighter. The kitchen culinary torch can be refilled when runs out. Adjustable flame intensity temperature can reach up to 1,300 degrees Celsius to meet various needs, such as barbecue, creme brulee, baking, soldering DIY jewelry, and etc. Security lock design prevents against accidental ignition, and a wide base helps to prevent the culinary torch from tipping, made with aluminum alloy body for long-lasting use. Just press to light fire, easy to operate with the gas flow regulator and airflow control valve. Cooking torch can be flame intensity controlled. Release the button, the flame goes off. Press the button to light fire, clockwise rotation at the same time, then it will keep fire. Turn the button counterclockwise, the flame goes out. Press the ignition to light up after refill. Butane. Please wait for no less than 5 minutes after refill, and don't overcharge the torch, it may cause a large orange flame, that's dangerous. Switch to continuous flame mode. Turn fire ignition clockwise to close while light up the torch, and it will remain burning. Slide the sawtooth button to control the flame level, please be careful when butane burning. Third in our best kitchen torch list is Joe Chef Kitchen Torch. If you're still getting acquainted with using a kitchen torch at home, start with something approachable and easy to control. This torch comes with butane, so you don't need to worry about ordering that separately. When it's time to refuel, use the handy fuel gauge to see how much fuel is left in the canister. Take your meal prep to the next level with the Joe Chef Superior RX Butane Torch. Complete with multiple safety locks and an adjustable flame function, the Joe Chef torch allows you to set fire to your culinary aspirations while maintaining a safe and clean kitchen. It's the perfect tool for welding small plastics, perfectly processing jewelry, or other DIY projects around the house. And once you're done whipping up a Michelin quality meal, you can sit back, relax, and use the torch to light one of your favorite cigars or candles. With the Joe Chef Professional Kitchen Torch, savor the rich and succulent flavors of well-prepared meals from the comfort of your own home. With the safety lock and flame adjuster, you can enjoy optimal control and precision. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Sear Pro Cooking Torch. This compact, handheld torch has one of the widest, most powerful flames of any torch available on the market. With temperatures reaching over 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, Sear Pro really packs a punch. Ideal for searing a steak, roasting bell peppers, sous vide, glazing a baked ham, caramelizing sugar, and melting cheese. Also useful for lighting your charcoal grill, campfire, fireplace, glass blowing, welding, melting metal, and anything else you can think of. Use as little or as much flame as you need to get the job done. This versatile torch does it all from finishing off a delicate dessert to starting a roaring campfire. You get to decide. Simply turn the adjustable fuel valve located on the top of the torch handle. This handheld propane torch attachment is perfect for searing food in a hurry, starting up that charcoal grill in just seconds, or getting a raging campfire going. It easily attaches onto a 1-pound propane tank for use at home or on the go. It's small enough to fit into your kitchen drawers, RV, or in your backpack for outdoor adventures. Charcoal grill lighting and campfire starting will never be the same again once you watch your fires roar to life with this torch. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Spicy Dew Blow Kitchen Torch. The Spicy Dew Professional Blow Torch, with its bright green knobs and accents, is one of the more user-friendly torches available. Even if you've never used a kitchen torch before, the easy-to-find green knob at the top to adjust the flame and the handguard under the torch neck mean you can start making creme brulee at home like a pro. The Spicy Dew torch also has a child lock button, so you don't have to worry about your kids getting hurt. The fuel window on the side of the torch indicates how much fuel is left in the torch, allowing you to refuel before making a show-stopping dessert. With its stylish and portable design, this torch is ideal for lighting candles, barbecue, and fireplace. Thanks to its high burning temperature and extreme durability, our torch can be used for dabbing, soldering, welding, jewelry making, plumbing, camping, and various art and craft applications. The instant flame can burn to an amazing 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 60 minutes. Comes in a top-quality gift box, Spicy Dew Torch can be your perfect gifting idea. Envision yourself creating the tastiest and most mouth-watering dishes on par with the best restaurants in the world. Used by top chefs, Spicy Dew Torch is perfect for caramelizing sugar atop creme brulee, searing a steak, roasting bell peppers and marshmallows, melting cheese and toasting breadcrumbs, etc.